guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Mask Monday video. In today's video I actually wanted to do something with protein, so I looked at my stash and I pulled out the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Replenish and Strength Hair Mask. So I definitely was looking to do a replenishing slash protein hair mask today just because I do like to switch things up. So I'm going to be using that. I don't really remember how I felt about it, so it's kind of going to be like a first impression because I got it when it first came out. I tried it and I don't really remember my thoughts, so we'll just revisit it. So in the shower today I went ahead and used the shampoo and conditioner from Suave. They recently just sent me a bunch of products, so I figured why not give it a shot. I did start off with this shampoo because, like you guys know, I am only washing my hair once a week as of now, and I really like how this worked in my hair. It smells delicious, it lathered really nicely, and it did clean my hair. And then I went ahead and followed up with the Moisturizing Curl Conditioner, which I also really liked. To my surprise, I've never tried anything Suave before, and so far I had a really good experience with these two shampoo and conditioner. So I really did like that. And yeah, that is the status of my hair. I did my makeup, so as usual my hair dries up pretty quickly. Alright, so my hair is separated into sections. I know for a fact this is not new. It's probably been out for like a year-ish, maybe like even 2018 at some point, because I know they also came out with a different line. But I still want to test it. I still want to play around with it, and let's get into it. So this is from their Pure Honey collection, and it has coconut oil and creamy shea butter and obviously honey. This hair mask is meant for people who have dry and damaged hair. It's supposed to replenish moisture, strengthen and help prevent breakage. It has super slip detangler, tames and control frizz. So apparently I'm supposed to be able to detangle my hair with this. So let's see if that is true. This is what it looks like. It smells interesting. Definitely doesn't have like a sweet smell at all. It is not a thick conditioner. I feel like all of my deep conditioners are pretty on the thicker side and creamy and delicious. This one is definitely creamy. It looks really nice and rich and luxurious to the texture. It is not thick at all. I mean, it is thick, but it's not like it will come out of the packaging if I wanted to. And today I decided to bring back this brush. If you guys saw my Mask Monday from 2 weeks ago, I tried it for the first time and I'm gonna give it another shot because I only used it that day. Just make sure my hair is wet. Alright, so I'm gonna take my first little scoop. The texture of this reminds me of the Weedad Deep Conditioner. I don't remember what the name is exactly, but it does have a really similar consistency to the Weedad product. It kind of like heated up when you applied it to your hair. I don't remember what the name is exactly, so I will definitely bring it up for you guys. I purposely didn't soak this side up just because I did want to see if it did have like detangling properties, because I know some of you guys don't detangle your hair and apply a deep conditioner. I always did. I always detangle with my conditioner, rinse that off, and then do a deep conditioner. People have asked me if it's necessary to condition and to deep condition your hair, and the reason I always say yes, because I never really detangle my hair with a deep conditioner. I always just apply it while my hair is wet, as you guys always see me do, and then I just kind of let it sit and do its thing. For conditioners, I like to detangle my hair because I always do that in the shower. What do you guys think? I feel like it's just necessary to do both. Like, you should use a conditioner to detangle your hair. That's like the sole purpose of conditioners, right? Just to bring that moisture back into your hair and to also detangle your hair. But some people might see conditioning your hair as like an extra step if you're gonna deep condition. I think it is up to you to just make that call. I always like to shampoo, condition, and deep condition. I just feel like the more moisture the better, and it just works for me. That's what I've been doing. So let me know what you guys do. Do you guys skip out on conditioning if you're gonna deep condition, or do you do all three? By the way, this week I was supposed to cut my hair on camera with you guys. That was the original plan. I was supposed to trim my ends with you guys, and your girl got impatient. So right after I finished filming that last week's Mask Monday, I went to Duane Reade and I picked up some scissors because I lost mine. I had like professional cutting scissors, you guys, and I lost it. I don't know where it is. So I had to get a new pair, and I didn't want to wait. Sally Beauty was actually sold out of the reasonable priced ones. The only ones that are left on the site are like $80, and I was not going to spend $80 on a pair of hair scissors. I didn't think it was necessary, so I just went to my local Duane Reade and I bought one for like 20 bucks and I trimmed my hair. So my ends this week feel so much better. Look at that. They're like blunt, like a blunt cut. And I didn't really cut that much off. As you guys can see, my hair is still pretty long. I didn't really cut that much off, but it does make the biggest difference in styling my hair. And even just now applying the deep conditioner, my hair is just sliding right through. There's no tugging, there's no pulling, and I barely cut my hair. I filmed it for you guys, so you guys will definitely be seeing that soon. I also wanted to give myself a little bang moment. I'll show you guys that in the other video. By the way, hello, let's talk about this deep conditioner. I love the way this feels. For it not being a really thick deep conditioner, I'm actually impressed, and I really do like how it's applying to my hair. It also has a lot of slip, which is a perk of not being a thick deep conditioner. I feel like with thick deep conditioners, you really can't detangle your hair with it, but my hands are just gliding right through. Like, I'm impressed. Again, I typically don't like to detangle my hair with a deep conditioner, but if I were to do that, I definitely will probably use this because she got slip. I like that. So I don't think I'm going to be sitting under a hooded dryer today, just because after I finish this clip right here that you guys are going to see, I do want to change my nail color. Just really quickly, what I do is when I change my nail color and I have dip, I just file the dip down to make everything nice and smooth again. And then I'll just take a gel color and I'll just put it right on top, and it literally looks like a fresh manicure. That's a little quick tip. If you guys do dip at home and your nails are growing out and you don't want to redo the whole process, and just file it down, and then if you have gel polish, just put gel polish right on top, and it literally looks like you have a fresh manicure. So quick little tips. That's what I'm going to do, and it doesn't take long. It takes maybe like 20 minutes to do. So that's what I'm going to do right after this. I think I'm going to go with white nails. For some reason, I love white nails. I feel like it looks really nice and clean. Okay, wow, so I really do like this. I'm actually impressed. The smell is not the best, but it's not overpowering at all. If you like put your nose in it, then you'll smell it, but if you're applying it into your hair, you definitely don't smell it. It's not like in your face. But my hair feels amazing. My ends feel amazing. I feel like everything just feels nice. I always put gel, so I always have to put extra deep conditioner on my edges because I don't want them to be like dry and crunchy. So, no complaints. I actually really had a pleasant experience applying this in. I will definitely say it has detangling properties, so if you're the type of person that does not like to condition, if you're going to deep condition, this one will work for you because it has amazing slip. I really enjoyed that. So it says to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse thoroughly for rapid restoration. After applying the hair mask, proceed with steaming or sitting under a hooded dryer with a plastic cap. Use weekly for best results. I do want to sit under the hooded dryer because that just always works for me. So I think I'm going to try to do my nails and sit under the hooded dryer at the same time. Let's see if I can do that. So I will see you guys once I rinse this off. Okay, so I am back and my nails are now white. It was such a quick and easy fix, so if you guys want me to do a video on how I do that, how I like maintain my nails so I don't have to redo the whole set, let me know because I would like to do that for you guys. But nails are done, hair is rinsed out, and I'm excited. Let's take it off, let's reveal, and let's see how my hair looks. I did leave it in my hair for about an hour. I left it in my hair for about 40 minutes, so this is what it looks like. Ooh, I'm liking this. I rinsed it off with really cold water as well, just to seal in my hair. I really am pleased with these results. This is exactly what I was looking for. I wanted something that was just going to help define my curls and just bring them back to life a little bit. I really do like the results. And this mask, you guys, I looked it up on Sally Beauty. It's only $7.99. So you get total of 11.5 ounce for $8, which is amazing because I honestly really do like the results on this hair mask. This is definitely a hair mask I would grab again to use. I really liked it. I love the creamy consistency, and I really love that I was able to detangle my hair with it while applying it, and when I rinse it off, my hair feels really, really nice and soft. So let me know your thoughts on this deep conditioner. Let me know if you guys have tried it. Also, comment down below, of course, you guys already know your favorite deep conditioner or any deep conditioners you guys want me to test out. I just got this deep conditioner in the mail, and I think I'm going to use it for next week. This is the Main Choice Amazon Hair Day beautiful beaming hair mask. So I think I'm going to do that next week, and I'm excited. So overall thoughts, I like it. I think you should try it if you have it. It's affordable. It's a good one. I do feel my curls really nice and hydrated, but they are also very nice and defined. So that concludes this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up and you leave me a comment down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.